Ladies and gents, just got a 20 signal and I've dug it. It's just in there, you can see. Now that looks nice. And there, oh, it's got some bubbles on there. Now, that's a plumb bob, that is. I'm pretty sure that's a plumb bob. It's got a little loop at the top. It's been carved. Is that Roman? What do you think, guys and girls? Ladies and gents, stonking signal. It's a bit later than those weights I've been having, but it's a nice Tudor buckle. Very nice, in fact. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. It's got its middle bar in place. It's what they call a spectacle buckle.